guys, this is your girl Ezenwanyi, and I'm here with my mama, my Ezenwanyi. You're welcome. And please tell my audience what your name is.
Amaka.
Her name is Amaka. Amaka is here with a case. She has a case with her landlady. I don't want to narrate the case to you. Since she's here, just hear directly from us. So Amaka, please, can you tell my audience why you called me out today? Narrate everything. I know you told me already, but I want to carry my fans, my family, and because if you want to help us solve the problem also.
Yes. I want to do is, like, since when I don't rent my house for my landlady. Since that time, things no they go away for me at all.
Okay, if I understand you now, since where you rent house,
Yes.
okay, you be tenant for the house.
Yes.
Okay, since where you rent house now, things no they go well for you.
Things no they go well for me.
Okay. But before you enter the house, everything dey
Yes,
alright.
I did alright. I did okay. Yes, I'm living fine before I enter the house. The immediately I enter the house, things no they go well at all.
Okay, Mama, listen to what she said. Yeah, since she entered the house.
Have she gone to places for
Okay. Since you notice say you enter that house, things no dey go well again. You go prayer house or you go anywhere, go find solution, or maybe you even know wetin dey happen.
No.
You no go anywhere.
No, I not go anywhere. That's why I say make I run call me to make I share the problem with you, whether you will figure any or like anywhere where you will feel help me.
Okay. So how you take know about me?
A video for Facebook, for TikTok.
Okay, you watch my video
Yes.
for TikTok.
Yes.
TikTok or Facebook? Sure.
No, TikTok.
Okay, for TikTok.
Yes.
Okay, so you see me.
Share the problem. Yes, from there, say make I call you, share the
Amaka.
problem with you.
Okay, Mama. Amaka.
Yes, yes.
Your problem in your compound is a small case.
Say your problem. You heard what she said that.
Yes.
When you were talking, I was just saying your landlady everywhere. Since the day you rented that house, for the past 2 years, you rented that house, and you're always paying 2 years rent.
Yes.
Okay, you pay 2 rents.
Yes. I thank you.
And now you are just renewing your rent.
Yes, Mama. Yes.
Your landlady is your problem. Yes.
Jesus, my landlady.
Your landlady is your problem. That woman says she owns that house because she's the one that killed her husband. Yes, she killed her husband. Your husband was the landlord of that house.
Hey.
And because of that house, she killed her husband.
And take over the house.
Yeah,
people are wicked.
After she had taken over the house, she was not getting the money she wants. A friend of hers take her to somewhere. And from the place they went to, they told her to lock any tenants that are packing into the compound. So right now,
Jesus.
you are not the only one.
No
You are not the only person that have done this to.
In the compound there.
In that compound.
Sorry, Mama, because I mean people plenty in the compound.
Yes, we reached like 20 tenants. Yes.
You are not the only person. All the tenants in that compound are facing the same thing. Debbie,
Mama,
that is why you see some people are doing well. For immediately they pass to one environment, everything will stop working. Everything will stop working. That's what is happening to this one. Yes. Everything stop working with this young lady. And she's standing here. She don't have relationship. Is it?
Yes,
Because you do not
I
discuss
don't
that
have
with
a
him.
boyfriend. Anything when I won't want at all. Yes, go disappoint me. If I get boyfriend, 2 to 3 days, you don't
For you,
disappointment.
for you to believe this one now, you know you did not even discuss it out. You're just
Debbie,
Mama.
if a man collects her number today, before she step her foot from that place, they will delete it.
That is true. Yes.
What they are seeing on her face is another thing. They will see how beautiful her shape is fine, her face is fine. But immediately they collect her number, they'll be seeing different things. They'll be seeing cheap houses. Hey, they'll be seeing different things. Her destiny is locked with her landlady. People can be wicked, baby. Yes, people can be wicked. So she's using their destiny for her own selfish reasons. And as I'm talking to you, Debbie, the same landlady have a house in the village. She's building a house, a mansion in the village right now. And all this money she's using to build is not from the house rent. Because her rent is very, very cheap.
Is a rent?
Yes. Her rent is very, very cheap. How can you put 2-bedroom flats for just 250,000 in this economy? Her rent is very, very
not
cheap.
saying our destiny they use, we don't know.
She's using
Like because of all those things that make her, she dey do us like this. She dey give us rent cheap. Bedroom and parlor 250K. Jesus.
Debbie,
Mama, we need to go there. Okay. To the woman's house.
yes.
Okay. So, alright.
We need to go there and unlock that key she's using to tie everybody in the compound. Okay. Debbie, we need to go there now.
Now.
Yes.
I have to
Don't worry, we'll go there. See, where is the way to the earlier?
this side.
Okay. Alright, let's go. Mama, they say this side.
God don't catch you too much today. God don't catch you today. God don't open your nyash today. Oh, God don't open your nyash today.
What's it happen?
Yes, from your house where you get nowhere else you go.
Come on, that's it. First, talk with you. Talk.
What's
What's it happen?
today?
What's it happen?
God don't open your nyash today.
See me secret.
No.
What's it happen?
Yes, mine be this.
What's it happen?
No
What's
way,
it that
when
worry you?
I-
You know where?
No way, not this is where I enter this house. Nothing they go well from
Sure,
me.
now here,
From where? From the shop now we
Who
dey pass
took
the
out
enter
compound
the
where they
compound.
call
Yes,
you
enter
people
the
come from?
compound.
Where
Yes.
20 people?
Eh?
Where you from?
Yes.
Come out.
No gate, nothing.
We be all
nothing,
these
na
people
through
say.
the shop. Nah.
Are you mad? Who told you to talk to me that?
Madam, calm down first.
Calm down for what?
Good afternoon.
What is cause your problem? Why you disturbing me?
Nothing.
I do party to put you
Things
to
no
my
dey go well
house.
for me for this house.
Eh?
I won't find out, yes.
You wan
As
find
I don
wetin up?
I don't know, say na
Go
you
outside,
because
go
of
look for
everything.
wetin they do you. You hear me so? Go outside, go and look what is doing you. It's
I
not
don't
here.
find- I don't
You don't find out.
No, I don't find
Who be the person where you
I
go
don't-
find out? Where you from, safe? Where you from, come out?
I'm from
Come on, shift. If you talk to me, shift.
See, I don't find out.
What are you, safe? Come on, shift. Come on, smell that from this way. Come on, shift. Come be this way. Where you from, come out? Come on. Go for yash. People should go out. Why does it not be safe? Why does it not be? Are you mad? Are you mad? What is the one in you? What is that? What? Come on, what is your problem? Now you're out with so you be witching. Are you be witch? Come on, come from my house. Come on, get out. Come on, get out of this. Are you mad? I will send you now.
The whole house where you build, you don't put gates. Nothing much. You
Who
do
is
your
this
shop
one?
for your shop.
Which location that is calling you from?
Compound.
Where are you from? See, you see all these things? I don't see I finish. It is that they fear you. Fear you for what? Come on, shake it. Come on, touch my mama. What did I want to do? What did I? Come on, see, I'm going for this man. What did I want to do? Let me touch her. Come on, get that touch her. Give me that touch her. You're not shaking over.
follow you for the Madam, no wonder they give us house. Well, are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? I said, no wonder. Are you talking to me? No, because they use our destiny. Fight me now. They make money. They even do that for another sure. Who be the fake prophet? What tell you that kind thing? Because I don't say that fake prophet. They go tell you that thing. It's not a real one. Now fake one. No, while I go see her now. Who be that one?
I'm the one that said.
And so what? He said what? All the whole lie is way through your mouth. You go just they talk nonsense. They spoil people's mind. He tell us what happen. He tell us what happen now.
The one that killed your husband.
And so, if I killed my husband, and so
you
will kill your own mother.
You see her?
You don't kill your mother. You don't kill your mother. Just from nowhere, come and tell me say, I'm the one that killed my husband. For which level? Who tell you like that? Not discuss anything with you. Fake prophet.
You tie the destiny of your tenant in your shop here.
Who told you that?
That is why you.
Who told you that?
You did not put.
What kind of life? This is why this woman has killed me. If you don't say, no touch her. No touch her. No touch her. To happen. Not. Even surprise. No touch her. No touch her. I go wound you. I don't tell you. Say me no touch her. I will throw you this chair. No you this chair. This man, calm down. If you don't speak, I will throw you this thing like this. The person they will not say you on for head. See, you don't have to. You are not done. You are not done today. Mama, because I don't, you won't come first lady. You don't kill your husband. Who be that one? He came out to talk to you. No, he came mad. You're not talking to worry for head. They are talking to you. I will just kill you here and I die.
Go and reply her. You know
stupid tenant. You know you are not stupid tenant. If you know you are not good to listen to us. Not make it that. Not make it that. Stupid tenant. You make it that. I don't want to. We know they get fronted. We know they get fronted again. Since when I come this house. All this scatter we give you for property. Nothing they go for house. Come from my house. You don't big house before. Do you know how much they are saying a block of 1 block? Do you know what is 1 block cost? Now make you use our destiny. Now today we dey see all this things. Not be today we dey see all this things. Not be today we dey see. Anything one I want, I will give you now. Now today. Anything one I want, I'm ready for you people for this place. Which kind of system?
If I have the mind to clean.
Yes, I will do it again and again, and nothing will happen. Nothing. All this is a fake chalk now. Now he won't deceive. Now he won't deceive. Now chalk begins now. But don't know they work anything. But for your miracle, let me see. If you get the strength to do so, you do it. Let me see. I cannot fear you. Are you not a human being like me? You see you. You are talking about my house.
Do something. I will not
give you shit. I will not give you 1 naira like this.
Go by the side of this place. Raise those clothes up and bring out the rods.
Who?
Amaka, I'm talking to you.
Any person
inside.
If you get moral,
raise those clothes
I
up
will
and
kill
bring out the
you.
key.
I will kill you, not throw away you. Enter here and make I see. Come on for road. Come on, get out. Come on for road. You want to climb here? Come on for road. You want to climb?
That be wrong entry.
Okay. Open this. Okay. You don't get sense. I say don't get sense. Yes. Where your own kiss? In this job. You're disgracing who? You don't have the power to disgrace me.
I don't have the power.
Yes.
I don't have the power.
Before you disgrace me, I will kill you, throw away you for this gutter.
You will kill me and
yes.
throw away me.
Before you go disgrace me, I will kill you, throw away you for inside this gutter.
This woman is trying me. And I want to show her what I'm
You cannot do anything! You cannot do anything!
After you killed your husband, inherit the house, you put
now your house
tenants in
bondage. Do you know how they suffer?
Using their talent.
Beautiful house. Using their can you build a house?
Using
now my house.
Glory.
Tell me how I want like. I I do with it.
You're even using their glory to build a house in your village.
See this one.
Building
See
mansions.
this one. Consider lying. Consider deceiving them. You cannot fool me.
I cannot
Because
fool
I know you now.
you cannot
Now
fool
people I know you.
Oh, I'm fooling
All
you.
these fake prophets. Fake niggas, they work out their
That
purpose.
prophet, she don't bring out the key now.
It
The
dem
one
mouth.
way don't lock us, she don't
It dem
bring
mouth.
her out. I'm
Now
not
the
a
key why I
prophet.
use lock you as e dey like this.
I'm
I
not
see
a
them like this.
prophet.
Yeah. Yes.
Na the key wey she take lock.
Yes, the key why I use lock her.
You
Yes.
lock, this is the key you use and lock
Yes.
her. You lock all your tenants.
Yes.
Hey.
What will
Went
happen?
to one tenant.
I am a good landlady.
And
Nobody is challenging me in this community. I'm the best landlady, okay? So anything what I like, I will do with it. So you people don't have any right to tell me what to do in my house and what not to do in my house, okay? So I'm doing the right thing.
That's the day
Yes.
now so you be.
Eh?
Now so you be.
You, how you be now? How you be?
The way you go take the
How you be? Half woman.
say you be
If you
witch.
half woman.
Yeah, we don't say you be witch. Hey, madam, that is you be witch. Now you dey do us all those
Now
things.
you be witch. Now you be witch. You know that you know be witch. You know be witch. You go carry fake prophets come here.
Now she bring out the balloon
You
where you don't lock
witch.
us.
You go carry
The old tenant where you don't lock
Come
so
here.
she be fake. She be fake Ezenwanyi. Now she bring
Yeah,
out
who
the
dash on that one? Who demand that one? But you don't deceive you. You won't call your money chop. Nothing good come out. If you don't know,
But
money
you
is
cannot
now.
have a wedding.
Yeah. Are you that lock you lock everything about you?
Now they talk say na take Ezenwanyi.
Yes. Are you that lock everything about you? Nonsense. Anything you want to do, do. Fake prophet. Anything you want to do, do. Oh, if they hear you so, house na my own. You don't build house for me. You build house for me. Fake as a one. You build house for me. Eh? They don't give you money now. Where you go you smoke this afternoon. Take snuff. Now look at come the ginger nonsense. This I go fear you. My dad no fit fear you today like this. They hear me so. Perform your miracle make I see her. If I never see her, man, I will keep quiet.
Ifeoma, are you ready to confess or I should open this?
Confess wetin? Confess your mama or your papa. Which one? Which one I go confess? Tell me the one I go confess.
Ifeoma, are you ready to confess?
You will confess first because you are the killer. You will confess first before me I confess. I will not confess anything. If they hear me so,
Debbie.
fake transfer, fake prophet, fake prophet. I don't want to confess anything. Confess with. That's what they take confess.
Anything to say, let her.
Take waiting. Nothing will happen. Hey! Hey!
Where should be?
What she say?
Where should be? Mama.
Hey.
All the evil go down for your head today. All the evil go down for your head today. The evil what they do for our head, so it go back to sender. Back to sender.
Mama,
Back to sender. Back to your head, back to your children.
Mama,
Today, you go confirm am. Shey they do us evil now? But we no go front.
Mama, I beg wetin dey happen now? Wetin dey happen? Mad.
No touch me. No touch me. No touch me. I no know say you be evil woman like this. No touch me. No even just near me.
Mama, what are we doing now? What are we
Let's
doing
go
now?
into the compound.
Okay, inside the compound.
Wanna close that gate well. Wanna close them. Close them.
I'm a
Close them, eh.
Enter, let's go.
Hey!
Come here, come.